You know, what I get all the time from people outside looking into loan signing system is, Mark, how hands-on are you rarely with people? Are you one of those people just sell me a course and never get to hear from me? I want to help everybody on the outside of the loan signing system family realize that I am hands-on as I can be with a community as large as ours. If you've ever attended one of my live monthly coaching calls, if you've ever joined any of our complete notary mentorship networking meetups, ever been on a live webinar with me before, ever been a live Q&A session while you're taking the course, if you've ever joined me on an Instagram live on Mondays, if you've ever messaged me or DM me and I got back to you, do you actually feel like you actually get to ask me questions whenever you need? I just want to hear from you guys on the role that I've played along your journey.
Man, you were so hands-on, it's ridiculous.
100%, my brother. Everything Mark is teaching within the community is hands-on, step by step.
You are very hands-on. And yes, I have been on your webinars. I have been on your live Instagram, and I have asked questions and you have answered them.
You're definitely hands-on, Mark. I can attest to it.
Listen, if you're one of those people that need somebody that's going to interact with you, Mark is your man, because I'm telling you, Mark, you respond to all my Instagrams. I've been on live with you on Monday. I have emailed you. I get responses from you right away.
I attended some of the seminars and I was shocked that you were actually there. I was like, is he, okay, this got to be recorded. And then I emailed and you responded.
I remember early on in the training, I forgot to ask you a question when I was in there, and you said you can email me and whatnot. I emailed you. And lo and behold, you responded.
Whenever I've reached out to you, and I did reach out to you via email prior to purchasing the program, you answered my questions and you were as honest as you possibly can be. And I think within this business, that's one of the things that I can truly appreciate, your authenticity and your honesty.
Even though I've been a notary for like 10 years, I never knew I could take my business to this type of level.
I have seen trainings, I have seen people that scam people or just don't care about their peers that they're actually leading. The coach, the mentor that you do, what you pour into us. I'm a newbie, but not for long, because with your training, I know I'm going to rise to the top.
I said, he has thousands of people taking this course, and he takes the time to actually respond.
If you don't have any other instructor that's hands-on, this guy is. All day.
One of the most valuable things that you bring is how detailed you are and how articulate.
I tell people all the time, if you want to be a loan signing agent, Mark gives you how to get business, how to get other tools into your toolbox, how to manage your business.
You're not only here in all these ongoing trainings, you've evolved in just the short time that I've been with you. I love that you keep up with the tech. Thank you so much for the ChatGPT course. That was incredible. I'm like, oh my gosh, how many other things is he gonna do?
First of all, you're authentic and you have the energy for 100, 1,000.
I said, I love his energy. He has so much energy. I don't know where he gets it from.
I mean, you get infected.
And this guy, if you ever get to see this guy in conference, the same energy you see him on these videos and on these teachings, that's the same energy you're going to get at that conference all day long.
You're very transparent with what you're doing. You give us what we need to actually succeed. When some people think about business, they're like, oh, you got to be cutthroat and hide what you know, but you're sharing everything you know because you don't have a scarcity mindset. You have abundance mindset that there's business for us all out there.
You're genuine, you're real, you stay authentic, you're who you are, you're vulnerable with us, you're compassionate, and you're just very generous.
Regardless of what is happening in the industry, you create multiple avenues for every single one of us so that we are constantly, based on the changes, remaining relevant with our businesses. Not only do you want to grow as an individual, but you want us to grow and you want to definitely see us succeed. And look at what you have. You've created something that just does not exist. So I thank you.
It was real. You were real. And then that just gave me the momentum to just keep going, even broke through the barriers of my concerns and skepticism. So I do appreciate it.
You're authentic and you're real, and everybody who listens to you gets so much from your trainings. And that's why we all keep showing up.
He's in there for you. He's in there with you. He's always rooting for you, behind you. And he's going to tell you, good or bad or indifferent, what you're doing, what you're not doing, and what you need to do, because he's done it to me already.
You will not be disappointed if you sign up, when you sign up for this course, because you will be silly not to.
So I thank God for you and the entire organization. And I know sky's the limit, man. God bless you.
I thank you immensely for reaffirming that decision.
Oh, Mark, you're the man. Phenomenal training today. Like you say, you can't believe in us no more than we believe in ourselves. There again, just look for my journey. It's rising to the top because the bottom is way too crowded. So it's only up from here.
Oh, the bottom's way too crowded. I am stealing that. Thank you so much for those kind words, and I'll see you at the top, girl. God, what a great day to be a signing agent. My mission is to help as many people because I know what it feels like to be alone. I know what it feels like to, feel like no one's there for you. I've had so much help in my life with my childhood and getting my career off the ground that it's something I feel indebted to. So thank you so much for helping my mission of helping others. It's hearing from you that allows me to do that. So with that being said, remember fortune to follow up until our next training, which is actually tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm out.